Hey there, food fans. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of food. Today we're going on a culinary adventure tracing the journey of a humble yet mighty ingredient, the walnut. This little nut has traveled far and wide, and its story is as rich as its taste. Buckle up, because this nut has a history as rich and complex as its flavor. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, walnuts have been a staple in diets and cultures around the world. Our story begins in ancient Persia, where walnuts flourished thousands of years ago. Persia, known today as Iran, was a land of great innovation and culture, and the walnut was one of its prized treasures. These weren't just any nut, they were a symbol of fertility and abundance. In ancient Persian culture, walnuts were often associated with prosperity amidst rituals and ceremonies. Prized for their unique flavor and satisfying crunch, walnuts quickly gained popularity. They were not only enjoyed as a delicious snack, but also incorporated into a variety of dishes, adding a rich, nutty flavor that was hard to resist. They were enjoyed as a tasty snack, a valuable trade commodity, and even a symbol of wealth and status. In ancient markets, walnuts were often traded for other goods, making them an essential part of the economy, and even as a form of currency. Yes, you heard that right. Walnuts were so valuable that they were sometimes used as money. Imagine, folks, paying your taxes in walnuts. It's fascinating to think about how something as simple as a nut could hold such significant value. From the rugged landscapes of Persia, the walnut began its slow and steady march across the globe, leaving its mark on cultures and cuisines along the way. Traders and explorers carried walnuts along ancient trade routes, spreading their popularity far and wide. Now you might be thinking, Alton, how did this nut travel so far? Well, the answer lies in the adventurous spirit of ancient traders who saw the value in this versatile nut. Well, that's where things get really interesting. As walnuts made their way to different parts of the world, they began to influence local cuisines and traditions. From Europe to Asia and eventually to the Americas, walnuts became a beloved ingredient in many cultures. Stay tuned as we explore how the walnut went from ancient Persian orchards to kitchens around the world. We'll look at how different cultures have embraced this nut and incorporated it into their culinary traditions. Trust me, this is one history lesson you won't want to miss. From ancient feasts to modern-day recipes, the walnut has a story that is as rich and flavorful as the nut itself. So grab a handful of walnuts and join us on this delicious journey through time. As the walnut journeyed westward, it encountered the mighty empires of Greece and Rome, leaving a lasting impact. The Greeks, known for their appreciation of beauty and intellect, were immediately smitten with this brainy-looking nut. They called it carrion, meaning head, because, well, it kind of resembles a miniature brain. Coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. The Romans, never ones to be outdone, adopted the walnut with equal enthusiasm and fervor. They dubbed it Juglans regia, meaning royal nut, a testament to its esteemed status in their society. Walnuts graced the tables of emperors and commoners alike, becoming a staple ingredient in Roman cuisine. From savory sauces to decadent desserts, walnuts added a touch of sophistication to Roman dishes. But their appeal went beyond mere flavor and culinary uses. Both Greeks and Romans recognized the nutritional prowess of walnuts, considering them a valuable source of energy and nourishment. Little did they know they were onto something big and truly significant. Fast forward a few centuries and the walnut found itself on an even grander voyage across the vast Atlantic Ocean with European explorers. These intrepid adventurers, accustomed to the familiar crunch of walnuts back home, brought this treasured nut to the shores of the New World, eager to cultivate it. The fertile soils and favorable climate of North America proved to be an ideal environment for walnut trees to thrive and flourish. Soon, orchards began to dot the landscape, from the sunny hills of California to the rolling valleys of the East Coast, creating a new agricultural staple. The walnut had truly taken root in American soil, becoming a part of its agricultural heritage. American ingenuity took the walnut to new heights, developing new varieties and innovative cultivation techniques. The walnut became a staple ingredient in American kitchens, adding its unique flavor and texture to everything from classic cookies to hearty salads and more. And the rest, as they say, is history. Section 4. Nutritional Powerhouse. Cracking the code of walnut goodness. Now let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? Walnuts, often overlooked, are actually one of nature's most impressive offerings. What is it about walnuts that makes them so special? Is it their rich, earthy flavor, or perhaps their satisfying crunch? Well, my friends, these little nuggets are nutritional powerhouses packed with a potent blend of vitamins, minerals, and other good-for-you compounds. They are more than just a tasty snack. They are a treasure trove of health benefits. First off, walnuts are an excellent source of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not just any fats. They are the kind that your body craves for optimal functioning. These essential fats are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and support cognitive function, but that's not all. Walnuts also bring a hefty dose of protein to the table, making them a satisfying and energy-boosting snack. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it helps keep you feeling full longer, which can aid in weight management. And let's not forget about fiber, that magical nutrient that keeps things moving and grooving in your digestive system. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Walnuts are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote satiety, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. This can be particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or trying to maintain a healthy weight. But wait, there's more. Walnuts are also chock full of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, all essential for maintaining optimal health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Magnesium is crucial for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and bone health. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. Beyond their nutritional profile, walnuts are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can add them to salads, desserts, or even main dishes to boost their nutritional value and add a delightful crunch. Whether you enjoy them in a smoothie, sprinkled over your morning oatmeal, or just as a quick snack, walnuts can easily fit into your daily diet. Their rich, nutty flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes. And let's not forget walnut oil, which is another fantastic way to incorporate the benefits of walnuts into your diet. Walnut oil can be used in salad dressings, drizzled over vegetables, or even used in baking for a subtle, nutty flavor. Walnuts also make a thoughtful and healthy gift, whether for a holiday, a special occasion, or just because a basket of walnuts can be a delightful and nutritious present. So, next time you're at the market, don't overlook these little gems. Remember, walnuts are not just a snack, they are a powerhouse of nutrition that can support your overall health and well-being. From whole walnuts to chopped and ground forms, there are countless ways to enjoy and benefit from this incredible nut. So, go ahead, crack open the goodness of walnuts and let them nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Section 5. Heart Healthy Hero Walnuts and Cardiovascular Wellness. Okay folks, let's talk ticker health. Your heart is an amazing organ, tirelessly working to keep your blood flowing and your body functioning. It's time we give it the attention it deserves. Your heart, that incredible organ that keeps everything pumping, deserves a little TLC. It's the engine of your body, and just like any engine, it needs the right fuel and care to keep running smoothly. And guess what? Walnuts are here to help. These little nuts are packed with nutrients that can support your heart health in numerous ways. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids we talked about? These essential fats are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. They help reduce inflammation and keep your arteries flexible and free from plaque buildup. Well, they're like superheroes for your heart. Omega-3s can lower the risk of heart disease by improving your cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Omega-3s help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. They also help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. And it doesn't stop there. Walnuts are a powerhouse of other nutrients that contribute to heart health. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in heart disease. Think of antioxidants as tiny warriors, battling it out in your body to keep you healthy and strong. They neutralize harmful molecules and prevent them from causing damage to your heart and other organs. Studies have shown that incorporating walnuts into your diet can have significant benefits for heart health. Research indicates that regular consumption of walnuts can improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. In fact, just a handful of walnuts a day can make a world of difference. This small daily habit can lead to long-term improvements in your cardiovascular health. So next time you're looking for a heart-healthy snack, reach for a handful of walnuts and give your ticker some love. Not only are they delicious, but they're also a simple and effective way to support your heart. You can enjoy walnuts in a variety of ways. Add them to your salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on them throughout the day. The versatility of walnuts makes it easy to incorporate them into your diet. Whether you're enjoying a family meal or looking for a quick snack, walnuts can be a delicious and nutritious addition. They not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also provide a boost to your heart health. So, let's make a pact to include more walnuts in our diets. Your heart will thank you for it, and you'll be taking a proactive step towards a healthier, happier life. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart, and with walnuts, you're giving your heart the best care possible. So go ahead, grab a handful of walnuts and show your heart some love today.